Hello sweet friend, welcome back. I'm here with clue 2 of our year-long Mystery Crochet Along. If you haven't downloaded clue 1 yet, you can hop to expressionfiberarts.com and go ahead and grab the pattern. It's called Multivalence and it's by Janica Carter, and it is a soothing, meditative piece, and you're gonna absolutely love the finished piece. It is stunning. So we created a beautiful circle design with clue 1. Now we're gonna continue expanding that with clue number 2. For this clue, you will need to know how to work the spiked single crochet. It's the easiest thing in the world. I'm gonna show you how to do it, just don't blink. You're gonna begin row 3 like so. Go ahead and slip stitch into that first double crochet and then chain 3, which does count as a double crochet. Then you're just gonna double crochet into each of the next 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So now you've come upon a little single crochet, which is right here. So you have a double crochet, a single, and a double. So what you're gonna wanna do is find the spaces right here between those. So we're gonna jump over to this one first. And you're gonna work a spike single crochet over here. So just insert your hook into that space between those stitches and pull up a loop. And you can just kind of give it a medium tug. It doesn't have to be crazy high, it doesn't have to be down here. Just give it a nice little medium tug and go ahead and work a single crochet. Now you're gonna jump over to this space, the one that we skipped. So your single crochets here, your double crochets here, and we're jumping to that space in between, and we're gonna do another spike single crochet there. So insert your hook and pull up a loop. Go ahead and yarn over and pull through 2. So you've essentially crossed your little stitches over. So you can see this one crossing over. Then just go ahead and double crochet along. And you're just gonna continue repeating this all across your row, or I should say around your round, since we're working in the round. Work 7 double crochets along that little fan shape. And then I'll show you again how to do the spike single crochet. So here we are again. We've got our double crochet, our single, and our double. So find the spaces between those stitches right here and right here, and spike single crochet into that space over on the left, and then jump back over here and spike single crochet into that side, and you can see how they've crossed over, and you're just going to continue repeating that all the way around. And that is it for this month's special stitch. I told you not to blink, it is a breeze. All right, beautiful friend, I will see you next month with another new special clue. Ta-ta for now.